Good morning. Where there is depression, anxiety, and worry around money, you must understand that money improvements are underway already. We have had obstacles to overcome, but there's happiness and good things coming into our life. There's also love coming into our life. We must keep moving forward. Things will slowly but surely get better for us. Talk about your feelings. They say there is a lot of activity going on all around you, all that you are tuning into, and there's sudden immediate results. Things are speeding up, and it's an important time to communicate with others. You must see the light within yourself in order to see the light in others. Embrace calm and clarity. Let your intuition guide you and slow down a little bit. Life is a mystery. Just be yourself. You're a great person. Enjoy being you. You mature, practical, generous, and happy. Nurture yourself and those around you. You have the ability to make anything more beautiful. You also have practical and wise advice. Be creative but keep moving forward. A magical journey is about to begin, and you can be your own knight of your own life. It's time to heal the past. They want you to start imagining what you'll see, feel, think, and hear if a wish came true. There is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you. The changes that you are going through are positive. They say you will have a period of prosperity and abundance, and you must move forward positive and with confidence in yourself. They also want you to know there is a stabilizing energy coming into your life, and they want you to go back to basics. You are getting stronger after a long time of inner deliberation and delays in your life. And unfortunately, you're still dealing with stubborn, aggressive person, but that's on them. You need to let that go now and move on. Your loved ones say you are a spiritual teacher. They want you to smile, laugh more, and balance work, rest, and play. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.